How to enable Binance Authenticator via Binance app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable Binance Authenticator via Binance app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Binance app. After you open up your Binance app, you should get logged into your account. And after you're logged into your account, tap on the Binance logo that's on the top left. After you tap on the Binance logo, what you'll need to do is you will need to tap on your username that's right around here. Let me do that again. So tap on your user right here. And after you do that, you will see your account info. And from here, you will need to head over to security. After you're on security, you will see the two-factor authentication section. And one of the options will be Authenticator app. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will see the enable option. Tap on enable, and now it should give you a code. Now the code will be on your email, so let's wait till we get the email. Now what you'll need to do is copy the code that you get on your email. After you get the verification code, type that in, and after you continue, you will get a 16-digit key or a QR code. You can head over to any authenticator app. Let's head over to the Google Authenticator app. And after you're on the Google Authenticator app, what you'll need to do is tap on the plus icon right here. And from here, you will need to tap on enter a setup key, or if you want to scan the QR code you received, tap on scan a QR code. I'll enter the setup key. Now type in your account name. And after you type in your account name, just type in the key here. Now you can simply copy it and paste it and tap on add. After you tap on add, you will see that the authenticator code has been now saved. And it's basically that simple. Now you will need to enter the 6-digit code generated by the app here. And after you do that, you will have basically enabled your Binance. So let me do that here. 162, tap on submit, and you're good to go. So that is how you can enable Binance Authenticator setup. That is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.